Welcome back to Auto Info Master. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Yamaha FJR1300, an impressive machine that continues to lead the sport touring motorcycle segment with style, power, and advanced technology. Design. The FJR1300 offers a sleek, aerodynamic design that's built for both speed and comfort. With adjustable windshields and ergonomic seating, Yamaha has crafted a bike that's not only visually appealing, but also incredibly functional for long-distance touring. Engine and performance. Under the hood, or rather the tank, the 2025 Yamaha FJR1300 is powered by a robust 1,298cc inline-four engine that delivers a smooth and responsive ride. Known for its reliability, this engine produces plenty of power for both city commuting and long-distance touring, with excellent torque that helps it handle highways and hilly terrain with ease. The advanced transmission ensures seamless shifting, and the engine's efficient design means you get a balance of power and fuel economy, making it a top choice for touring riders who want performance without compromising on range. Technology and features. The 2025 FJR1300 comes equipped with modern features like multiple riding modes, adjustable traction control, ABS, and cruise control. Plus, the digital display provides all the essential information at your fingertips, making your ride safer and more enjoyable. Fuel range. The 2025 Yamaha FJR1300 is built for long rides, with a 6.6-gallon fuel tank that provides an impressive range of around 260 to 300 miles, depending on riding style. With its efficient 1,298cc engine and approximately 40 to 45 mpg fuel economy, this bike minimizes refueling stops, making it ideal for touring adventures. So whether you're commuting or heading cross-country, the FJR1300 keeps you on the road longer. Price. Yamaha hasn't confirmed the exact pricing yet, but based on previous models, the 2025 FJR1300 is expected to offer competitive value in the sport touring category. It combines quality, reliability, and performance, giving riders great value for their investment. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Yamaha FJR1300. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive reviews. See you in the next video.